my gosh, there's snow geese. You can probably hear them. There's snow geese everywhere. Everywhere. So I got a call from, or a text from Golden Boy this morning. He's like, man, the snow geese are here. So Corn and I hopped in the truck and we're down. We're camping for a couple nights. We're going to do some stalking. We're not going to field hunt these. We're going to stalk them around the marshes, which we have been stalking around the marshes for years, and it is a lot of fun. So our goal here is not to shoot tons and tons and tons of geese. That's not our goal. Our goal is to camp out for a couple nights, get in 2 or 3 solid stalks and shoot a few birds each. And I'll tell you, like I said, Fumbles and I, we've been doing this for a lot of years. It is so much fun. And man, it's just a great springtime activity. So we're gonna get this set up. Golden Boy's coming over pretty soon. We're gonna jump right on this in the morning, see what happens. Are you filming? Are you filming this weekend?
Yeah.
Check him out, Cherry Creek Outdoors.
Yeah, check me out.
You got a plan for the morning?
I think.
Okay, I'll turn it off and we can discuss the secret plan.
Well, better put you on golden probation.
Yeah.
If we don't shoot any.
If he doesn't start setting up that tent, he's on golden probation. Well, we got the big tent up. This is the first time we've ever had this tent. Aiden scored it for us somehow. You ready to go and drive around real quick?
Yeah.
All right, let's go do it. We're gonna go drive around and see what our plan is for the entry in the morning. Well, surprisingly, Aiden all of a sudden is going to college right in this area. What a coincidence.
The best area.
Our favorite waterfowl hunting place, and bam, you're going to college 20 minutes from it.
Destiny, man.
Yeah, okay. There are lots of ducks out here. Oh, thank you, Lord, for letting me be here right now. Well, the sun's gone down. We got some cooking going on. There's a few around. Well, it's time for bed. There's our sleeping arrangements. Aiden's got himself a little cot. I've got my 0-degree bag. The snow geese have been squawking all night. Where we were planning on going in, they're no longer squawking. So, it's about 6 o'clock. We're gonna drive and listen for them. We were just driving along, stopping at different spots and listening for the geese. Corn's using his special listening skills. We found one spot where they sound close from. So instead of wait till sunup, we're gonna try to walk in and just walk towards the squawking.
Turn your light off.
You first.
You first.
Let the stalk begin. Corn saw a skunk.
Maybe.
You go first.
You already smell like a skunk, so go ahead.
Okay, they're quite a ways away.
There's still these here.
Yeah.
Let's move while they really.
Yeah, let's go. They may settle right back down. I don't know, maybe they're not gonna get right back down. We didn't scare those.
Yeah. Stay quiet, because I think these ones are.
Get these geese right here.
Oh, yeah, there's some.
I'm telling you guys, there's so much here, I don't know what to film. That's insane.
These are specks.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Nah, don't take those. Here, this is snow, lone snow, right here, right here.
Get him. See him, maybe. Back at the truck.
I'm gonna go find
We're back at the truck.
Yeah, Corn tried to kill Golden Boy.
I tried to kill him, I just didn't know. He's so quiet, mousy.
You tried to kill him.
I couldn't hear him.
Take off driving. He's
Hey,
not in the
we need
truck.
we need him to retrieve the geese.
Yeah. Stock number 2. I think it's belly crawling time.
Corn crawl.
I will say, this sneaking and crawling, there's something really predatory about it.
Yeah, definitely.
And I don't think we have the sneak skills of, say, a bobcat. Oh, you jerk.
Sorry. In my space, you know?
Go to you like a 3-year-old in the back seat. This is my hat.
Well, I mean, personal space.
This is my hat. Aiden, Elliott crossed the line.
What do you want me to do
about it?
Roll over like we're snuggling or something.
If I remember right, I was the first one to this position.
You were. So you're in his.
And you were fine when you weren't rolled over. But when you rolled over, you're too close. Shut it.
You are going to scare off our prey.
Well, then maybe you should know something about personal space. Okay? And I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Get off me, you big idiot. I'm gonna jump up and yell Sasquatch. Precious geese are gonna fly. You're still too close to me.
There's a Sasquatch over here.
How far do you need me to be?
About like this, at least. You might want to stay out of this range.
Hey.
Like this, see?
You're not very flexible.
I think tonight
I'm wearing waders, Aiden.
Crapping Elliott. Aim for him.
So your plan is if they get up close to us and flush, you're gonna just unload into them? That's your plan?
My plan is flexible,
Okay.
but that's what I kind of want to do.
And I don't have an issue with that. But
Selfishly,
But if you end up with 100 birds, I don't know that I want to be involved in the cleaning of those.
we can clean how many you think you could. I'll go the other way. I don't think he's going in exact.
They probably saw your red hair. That's my
Are
guess.
they circling around my...
You need to dye that for hunting season, that red hair. And that red face.
Why don't you shut up? It'd be best if you just shut up, I think. You are one idiot. You know that? Just one nut.
Yeah, I know. How come he didn't include you in that?
Because I'm not an idiot.
He was clear to say one.
It's because I'm golden.
Jerk. Here comes a huge line. They're not going to come over us, man, I don't think. I'm just going to go and... It's just too hard to get close to him on this pool, honestly.
Well, we are 0 for 2. The tailgate's down.
It's right at 9 o'clock now, so... Normally, there's a lot of cattails and we can sneak through the marsh, but... Not today. A few pintails in here, let's just say that. Oh my gosh, look at the sprig on that one. Well, it is right around noon, just past noon. And I'm heading up to my uncle's place to record a couple of episodes of the Duck Gun podcast. If you've never checked out my podcast, I co-host with Jordan Fromer from Duck Gun Chronicles. So if you've never checked out those podcasts, I'll put a link in the description. You can find it on iTunes, Google Play, Stitcher, Podbean, anywhere. Duck Gun Podcast. You might go check that out. But I'm gonna head up there and record a couple episodes with Jordan, and then we're gonna be back on the stalking this evening. We've got still a ton of birds around, so hopefully we can get a successful stalk in. Stalk number 3 begins. Third time's the charm, Corn. Let's get it done. All right, we're out of the water, ready to stalk. There they are, they're all out. There. Here's the game plan, guys. We got all these geese here. So our plan we're gonna cut back into these trees, loop around, and try to get in this thick stuff right in here and cut through that thick stuff. We can go to that next corner. Yeah. Okay, that's gonna be better than trouncing through this crap. Yeah. I think this is awesome. Yeah, this is great. I think we're gonna be able to get it to crawl. No, I don't either. So the birds right now are from here. Clear on over. You can see them in the air there. It's a beautiful little marsh. I'll tell you that. All right, we're right up on the marsh here. We got birds all over through here. We want to try to get even closer though if we can. So we're close enough that when they flush, hopefully we'll get some real a quality pass on them. So now we just sit and wait here. We got corn is right here. Golden boy's back here. I think we're gonna get shots here. I'd be surprised if we didn't kill something. This right here is what I love about stalking. Just getting to see them. Just a matter of time. Oh man, if we were in that right there, we would be, oh my gosh. Something like that probably. Huh? I don't know. Well, and still we wait. That's our best bet, I think, these right here when they get up on this edge. They're up. We want close ones. We want close ones. We don't want that. Oh, good Lord. They gonna come back over us here or not? Crap. Keep watching. They just did not come as far as we needed them to. That was pretty awesome though. I've never gotten footage like this. It snows. Good Lord, look at that. Good Lord. Good Lord, man. You think we could get away with running up there? If we gotta do it, we gotta do this second. We could probably get it done right now, honestly. We might be able to crawl from there.
Crawl now?
We could try crawling. They're distracted.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's crawl. This is ridiculous. Killing me. Oh.
Gotta wait here as long as we can, no?
Yeah.
I'm glad you made it out here.
I am too.
We'll come back sometime today.
Oh. Oh, this is cool though, isn't it?
Yeah, this is
This is why I like stalking better than laying in a field. Not that I don't want to get big groups in my in the spread before I die, because I certainly do, but man, this is awesome. I didn't get it quite on record fast enough, but they flew over here. They're definitely in our space now. I think we're okay, man. I think we're okay. But they're right up on us now. I think we're gonna get some shots, fellas. Another quick update. I mean, they have crawled in. They have swam in so freaking close. So close. This may be it. Come on, easy. Right here, right here. Here's two right here, Jeff. Get them when they come over, guys. Get them. Well, we are thrilled to have success. We worked our absolute butts off for one golden boy goose. How do you feel about your victorious kill?
I feel good. I smoked him. I could see the babies going through him in my mind, so I feel good.
Can you believe how hard we worked today for that one goose?
Oh, most people just don't understand.
But this has been a blast, man. Oh, successful hunt. Success is not always measured by the number of birds that you kill. Hey, the prize of the day. Nice one, man. We got dinner.
Hey, somebody's eating tonight.
Someone's eating tonight. Man, we worked our ass off for that.
Totally worth it.
Yeah,
It was fun.
There's a wounded snow. Get it, Golden, get! I bet he got it on that one. Oh man, I can't believe he just spread it out there after a bird that he didn't even shoot.
He is something else.
Yes, he is.
That's why, right there, that he should be doing most of the work.
Yeah.
That right there just absolutely proves and solidifies that it's no problem. You know what I'm saying? Like he just proved to us that he can do more. He can carry us, I think.
I know, he just drops the stuff and goes on a dead sprint.
Across the mud.
Well, you took off on a dead sprint.
Yeah.
Got him.
Got
Wow,
him.
that's a big snow goose.
Yeah, that's a nice
That's
size.
a really big snow goose. What a beauty. I'm paddling back here. I'm thinking about the day and the blessings God has given to me with these two friends here. And I mean, we've seen more ducks and geese today of different variety than maybe ever in my life. We only ended up with one bird, and it was worth every single ounce of energy and effort. It's just so spectacular to get out in this stuff and see it. It's, you know, it would have been nice to shoot a few more, no doubt. But I'm definitely satisfied today. Thank you, Lord, for giving me today.